Peaches. So today is Monday, and I'm looking fabulous. So I've been sick the whole weekend long. On Saturday, I literally slept until 8 p.m. And I don't know what's wrong with me, but I've not been feeling very good. And today, me and Dustin had some plans to go to a museum, and I'm really fighting through just wanting to sleep all day again today to go do that with him. So I thought I would bring you guys along for at least a little bit of it. Hello. So we just had a good burger at a restaurant we've never been to before. Dustin's here also.
Hello, everybody.
I'm not good at getting two people in the frame. We're gonna die. We are headed now back to IKEA to pick up, what is the name of it? Gnebi shelves.
Gnebi shelves.
Which
or
is
maybe
what?
the G is silent and then it's just Nebi.
Nebi sounds almost stupider.
Well, then it's Gnebi.
Oh! Dustin.
Didn't see that there.
Oh.
I just hit a curb.
You changed your mind, you need it?
I was making fun of it, but it's actually a crazy bag.
Crazy bad.
Crazy.
Is it like it's an over the shoulder?
Yeah, I guess so.
We're in IKEA and I am looking at the chandelier that I really, really like, and it's only $129, which really for any lighting doesn't seem bad at all. And they have it over a kitchen table. I really like it a lot. So we've just determined that we're not getting the Gnebi today because it's too long to fit in the back of Dustin's car with my person in the vehicle. So we are back home now. Dustin is in front of me and we're going to watch some Office.
Yes.
And that's about it. Closing thoughts on this day.
It's a good day.
Guys, so I am getting ready to go to work right now, and I got to come in a little bit later today than I normally do, so I've had a little bit of a nice slow start to my morning, and I wanted to start off my day with this because I was thinking about it yesterday and this morning a lot about starting another channel, which I've always said that I don't want to do for like vlogs and stuff, that if I started to do that I would just keep it on this channel. But I think that I will start another channel for me and Dustin's stuff because I tried to vlog a little yesterday and I'm not like perfect at it, but I did pretty okay, and think for me and him it would be fun to be able to like take videos of places we go and things we do, so that at any point in time we can kind of go back and like look at that and remember it and you know, whatever. So I'm gonna bring my camera with me today. I am working from 11 until about 9 tonight, so during the day I won't be able to do a lot, but afterwards I can sit with Dustin at his house and kind of talk a little bit more about it. But I wanted to at least start with this, and I thought that if he brought his camera with him or whatever, that maybe we could put some of our days together. He's about to start another job, which I'll talk more about tonight, but it's going to be full-time also, so our schedules will be a little bit weird here for a little bit. But anyways, so I'm going to finish getting ready. I'm going to get a bite to eat before I go, but I wanted to start my day with that thought. Hi guys, so it is the end of my work day, and I am at Dustin's, and I was going to tell him this idea that I had today, that me and you could start our own vlog channel. I don't know how that would work with both of us working full-time, but maybe just little clips here and there. And then I thought probably on weekends, since we would most likely be together for at least Sunday. Did you see my camera try to find a face?
No.
I was like, whoa.
Here I am.
Anyway, what do you think?
Yep.
Want to do it?
Sounds good. Let's do it. When do we start?
We're doing it now.
Oh, for now? Like this is it?
So I figure we could do either before or after, like a formal introducing ourselves video.
This isn't it?
No.
Oh.
You're not introducing yourself in this
I'm
video.
Dustin.
This is probably gonna maybe be on my channel. And
That's
then
Sarah.
And then then we could start our channel and like have our little opening video. What are you doing?
I don't know.
You like to be able to see yourself in the viewfinder? And then if maybe you could bring your camera on your day,
Yeah.
and I could bring it on my day, and then if one of us has a minute, you'll probably have more evening time than I will, because
Because you work until
yeah,
midnight.
I'll be getting off a lot later than you will. What's our channel name gonna be though?
The Howler Monkeys.
What does that mean? We can name it Dara
The Golden
Retriever.
Golden Monkeys. Wait.
Why do we have
Does
so
it
many
have to have
monkeys?
monkey?
I didn't say that.
Oh. The Golden Man from
Monkey.
Monkey. Maybe we name it
Okay, well we don't have to name it tonight, but anyways, I thought that was a good idea.
That is a good idea.
Even if we only had a little bit of footage during the week.
Yeah.
Because I'll have all day Monday, even though technically then on my second channel I'll be putting up a video.
Yeah.
I could film all day Monday, and then if you wanted to film your evenings, I could film my evenings, but they probably wouldn't start until I got off of work, not after work.
Afterward.
At like 9 or something. And then on Friday evenings we could do something if we were together. On Saturdays, and then on the Sunday. Yeah, I like it.
I like it too. I bit my tongue today. Feels weird.
You did? You bit your tongue?
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't know.
Eating?
Yeah, I guess.
Barbecue?
I don't remember doing it. I just know that it hurts right now.
You bit the tip of it or side of it?
Side of it. Which is the worst part.
Yeah.
Because then your teeth are constantly being like, hey.
And then
when you
anytime
bit
you try to
this?
do anything, you're like... Well, that's all.
Okay. Sounds good to me.